जी नमस्कार, Shivram from Retail Gurukul. I want to challenge you. Your business today is not as good as last year, but you really want it to be as good or even better than last year. Yes or no? My challenge to you is you want it to grow better than last year. But the fact of the matter is that आपके पास 100 कस्टमर्स आते थे, 66 लोगों को आपने कन्वर्ट करते थे. लेकिन अभी कैसा हो गया है कि आपके पास खाली 66 लोग आ रहे हैं, उसके ऊपर आपने वही 66% कन्वर्ट कर रहे हैं, तो आपके पास 44% कन्वर्शन हो गया कंपेयर टू लास्ट ईयर. लेकिन you are continuing with last year thought process. You are continuing with last year's ideas and strategies. You are probably even continuing with very little of even advertising because वो last year का जमाना अलग था. Now it is 2021. You need new ideas, you need new plans, you need new strategies so that your 66 walk-ins will go back to 100 or 100 and plus walk-ins. You must be wondering how I am able to give you these accurate numbers because they seem to apply to you, right? Fact of the matter is, I used to work in Tanishq and Titan watches for 20 years. And in the last 8 years, as a consultant and coach, I worked with over 500 retailers across the length and breadth of the country and trained over 10,000 people. So we are right there with you literally on a daily basis, knowing what's happening and more importantly, what is not happening. And these things coming from that experience. The advantage is now it's available to you right at the convenience of your showroom and with a mobile phone. Do you want that? If I hear you, you will say yes, of course. But you need new ideas. You need new strategies. You need new thoughts. You need new sales. You need new type of customers. If you want to know more about that, I have 3 simple but effective ideas. Like somebody said, simple but it is not easy. If it was so easy, you would have implemented it by now. You would have gone back to 100 walk-ins. Just in today's paper it says there are some retailers who have achieved more than 80 to 85% of their pre-COVID sales. But a lot of them are below that 75% mark. If you want to know more, click on the link below, join in my webinar where I'll talk to you about these 3 simple but effective ideas on how to grow your business back to pre-COVID levels in this year. Don't forget to tune in for those 3 simple but effective strategies. And I promise you, it will not cost you a lot of money. How do you like that? Join me and don't forget to remember and come back on that scheduled days. Of course, we'll send you reminders. Okay, na? See you soon.